finally off after a half an hour delay. Hello and welcome to East Van Drone. I am on Salt Spring Island, which is an island just off the coast of Vancouver, located between Vancouver Island and Vancouver itself. And I'm at a place called Mountain View Drive, and there are tons and tons of buzzards around here. So I got the drone up, but I don't know if I caught any. But we're here. Lovely view, a little bit windy, but it's the first open space I've come to. I've just got off the ferry, and this is part one of my road trip to Salt Spring and onto Vancouver Island. Well, I finally made it to my campsite. Got nature and birds and all kinds of stuff here. This is my view, apart from the trailer full of wood. No campfire. Well, finally made it to my destination, or oh, got a cat. Here at Ruckle or something, I don't know, some kind of campsite, but it's beautiful, a lot of people, and it's a walk-in, which was a bit of a pain in the ass for me, about 200 meters, so I got my bike and loaded it up a couple of times and brought it in that way, and of course all the wheelbarrows showed up right after I did that. And yeah, it's a bit of a hassle to get here, a bit of a trek from Ganges down to this point, but we're on the south end of the island on Salt Spring. I'm here for just one night. It's going to be a bit of a hassle getting everything in and getting everything out because it's a walk-in. Hopefully tomorrow I'll be able to find somebody with a wheelbarrow who can help me out. But I'm here, finally.